Hello, and welcome back to the Old Dog New Tricks channel. And we're going to go ahead and continue on our little journey as we're getting started using Smartsheet. And this episode we'll be talking about how to create a summary sheet. So why would we want a summary sheet? Well, first of all, just the title itself means that we're going to summarize some information from the sheet in general, and most importantly though, it's going to be a whole lot easier to create metric and chart data, which we're going to use for dashboarding. So I jump to our little scenario here. We're going to go back to our invoice log, and we would like to see spending by description type, monthly spending, and annual spending. And so with that, let's jump right into Smartsheet. So what I normally like to do is I like to do a save as of the sheet that I want to make a summary sheet of. So makes it very easy. Just name it summary sheet with the info there so I know what it's referencing. Do a save, and there it is. And as you see, it is basically the invoice log because we just save as new. I don't really need these rows, so what I like to do is select them, remove them, and now I can start working. The reason I'm moving this over to description is because I don't need this column. I need it to be basically this description spending. And what's really helpful is when you already have a column here that has the properties that you want to get information on, you can copy that and we can paste it here, and there we go. Simple, simple. And then we don't need this column either. This one we're going to rename and call our month, and this one will be our monthly spending. Don't need these two columns, so get rid of them, and we'll rename this one the year, and this one we'll rename annual spending. And so with that, we have the sheet. I'm going to do a little bit of a jump here. I'm going to go over to a summary sheet that I already created, and then that way I can show you how it looks once all of the formulas are put in. So we're not going to go over formulas in this episode. That will be another one, so look for that one on basic formulas. But as you can see, we met the criteria. We have the description spending, we have monthly spending, and then we have an annual spending. And so with that, that's all there is for this episode. So we will end it here, and until next time, have a great one.